I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and if you have 5 minutes and 6 super simple ingredients, then you've got this recipe for the best ever chocolate buttercream frosting. What I love about this recipe is it pipes like a dream, so it's a great way to kick up your cakes, cupcakes, and even brownies. And we're gonna start off by adding our unsalted butter to the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the beater attachment. And it's important to note that the butter's at room temperature. Then we're gonna blend this on high for about 1 minute just until it's creamy. Now that the butter is nice and creamy, we're gonna add our confectioner sugar and our cocoa powder. And you wanna choose a good quality cocoa powder because that's what's gonna give this recipe its great flavor. So first in goes our confectioner sugar, and then our cocoa powder. And this is an unsweetened cocoa powder. And then we're gonna blend this on about medium-high just until the ingredients are incorporated. Now that these ingredients are combined, I'm gonna add our whole milk, but I'm gonna have the stand mixer running while I do this to make sure we get a really creamy consistency. And you can already see how nice and thick and fudgy this frosting is. So just 2 ingredients left to add, some vanilla extract, and then a little bit of salt. And I love adding salt to frostings because it helps balance out that sweetness and really give it a complex flavor. Another quick mix and it's time to pipe. So this looks perfect. It's nice and creamy and velvety in texture. You can see it's got that nice rich chocolate color. You could go ahead and frost a cake, cupcakes, or even brownies with the frosting just like this, but I'm gonna transfer it into a piping bag. Anytime you're adding frosting to a piping bag, I find that it's easiest if you actually put the piping bag with the tip already fitted into it, into a cup like this, and just fold over the edges. And this gives you 2 hands free to then add the frosting to the piping bag. Look at how lusciously thick. All right, so this looks great. So we're just gonna invert the bag. Give it a quick zhuzh. And then I'm gonna squeeze this down into the tip, just like that. Give it a nice little twist, and onto the cupcakes we go. I'm gonna start at the middle and then just work my way out and back in to get a nice tip. Perfection, how easy is that? And this is just a star tip, so in case you want to replicate this look at home, I'll show you guys one more time. Start in the middle, make your way to the outside, back to the inside, and a little swirl on top. Of course, we can't have cupcakes without some rainbow sprinkles. Just gonna top these guys off. So that was 5 minutes, 6 simple ingredients, and I guarantee you'll never be buying the store-bought frosting again.